Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will learn whether the given number is prime or not. So here the input given is 7 and output we have to print a prime number. So the first thing we have to remember is what actually is prime number. So the prime numbers will be 2, 3, 5. That means they are divisible by 1 and they are also divisible by themselves. So here we will see the program hash include stdio.h int main. So here these are the hash include stdio.h. It is used to include printf and scanf, and int main. This is the first method that we use in the C program. So here num, we are using declaring the variables like num I and count is equal to 0. So scanf, the statement is used to accept the uh, uh, input from the user, and if num is less than or equal to 1, then it is not a prime number. So prime number will start from 2, so it is not a prime number. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to num I plus plus. If num percentile I is almost all equal to 0, count plus plus. So this is the for loop which we run. So first thing we know is prime number means it is divisible by 1 and it is divisible by itself. So how many times it will be divided? So 2 times. So first we will start with I is equal to 1. I less than or equal to num means I less than or equal to 7. 1 is less than or equal to 7. It will enter the loop. 7 percentile 1 is equal to 0. Yes, it is 0. So count will be incremented to 1. So count is equal to 1. Next, again it will run. I plus plus means I will become 2 this time. 2 less than num? Yes. So 7 percentile 2? No. Again it will run. I plus plus 3. 3 less than or equal to 7? Yes. But 7 percentile 3 is equal to 0? No. So again it will increment 4. 4 is also not divisible. 5. Next 5 is also not divisible. 6. 6 is also not divisible. 7. 7 percentile 7? Yes, it is 0. So count will be incremented to 1. That means count is equal to 2. In the same way, if for example if we check for number 3, first I is equal to 1, 1 is less than or equal to 3, yes, then it will enter the loop. First 3 percentile 1, yes, it is 0. So it will become, count will become 1. Next 1 I plus plus 2. 2 is less than 3, yes, 2%, 3 percentile 2 is equal to 0. No, again count will increase 3. 3 less than or equal to 3, yes, 3 percentile 3 is equal to 0, yes, count will increment, so count is 2. So in this way we will run this loop. If count is almost all equal to almost all equal to 2, then it is prime number, else it is not a prime number. So we will see the code in Java as well. Import java util.scanner. It will this import will help us to accept the input from the user. Public class name, this is the first class. Public static void main, this is the main method. Scanner sc, here we are declaring an object. Count is initialized to 0. Num sa.nextInt, that means we are accepting the integer from the user. If num is less than or equal to 1, it is not prime number. Next, again we are running the same for loop for increasing the count value if it is divided by that number. So count is almost all equal to 2, then it is a prime, otherwise it is not prime number. Next, Python. Python same input. First we will accept the input from the user as a string. We are converting it into integer. Int of number means it will convert it into integer. Num will be assigned to that number. Count is 0. If num is less than or equal to 1, it is not prime number. For I in range 1 to num plus 1. That means, for example, if number given is the 7, it will take 1 comma 8 in the range. It will check 1 less than 8. No, it will iterate until only 7. So if num percentile I is 0, count will increase to 1. If count is equal to 2, printf prime, otherwise it is not prime.